Previous video, I more or less called out long position from this confluence zone area. If you missed that video, um, I think you should go back and watch it because I actually dropped some insights on what we should be looking out for that made me take this trade. I actually really broke down this trade on that video. Okay, and if you did watch the video and you caught this position, that's a win for I don't know for you. Okay. So, well, nonetheless, I was looking at GU continuing the daily momentum from okay, seeing how the daily candle closed yesterday. Sorry, not yesterday, the day before. Okay, which is quite bullish above 171,250. And looking at the 4 hour time frame, I was more or less looking at the structure of the 4 hour time frame. I saw that the 4 hour time frame made a higher high area here. So I drew out my fib, higher high, higher low. Okay. So I more or less marked out this zone. So we saw 38.2. Okay. See, we saw 38.2 confluence zone. We saw 171,250. And of course, we saw this previous high area here. So this region here was like a hot zone for this pair to come into and then reverse. We see price didn't even deep into the region. It just came, tapped 38.2 and then rallied to the upside. So um, that's so the reason when I saw the market pushing down to the downside, let me just go over my entry model, okay? Because um, most people that come into my community, because it's basically a free community, okay? The problem I see is they have their analysis right. They have more or less the trend lines, the mindset right, but their entry models is kind of um where they lack knowledge, okay? Where they lack knowledge. So, um, well, what I was looking out for on this particular trade was more or less when price was pushing to the downside. Okay, I was looking for a break of resistance. Okay, I was looking for a break of resistance. Sorry to go off track here on this video, but I really feel the need to drop out this to share with you guys I how I entered the position. So now looking at the 5 minute time frame, we've seen the first resistance we saw was right here. So price didn't break this resistance. Okay, right here, right here, right here. And seeing that break of resistance, we had a trend line area of resistance with it as well. Okay, so we've seen point one, point two. So we've seen a break of resistance and a break of the trend line area of a break of trend line area of resistance and structural area of resistance on the lower time frame. So what this basically tells me is the market is ready to buy. Okay, so when I saw price more or less close on this next candle was my first entry. Let me check. My first position was at 1715. Okay, okay, right here was where my first position was 171.551. Okay, because I entered this position when I saw price break above this region here. Okay, then as you can see, the markets are making higher high, higher lows, and from there, seeing how the market is more or less trading, you can start adding to your positions. Okay, so my first position was here. Second position was I think here. Okay, I added another position right here. Okay, this is my last position where I decided to put the risk to reward to. Okay, and see. So that's my entry model, guys, and I hope you guys learned something from this. But okay, now analysis. Sorry to get off track there. I don't know. I like sharing information. So analysis wise, we can see the daily candle closed quite bullish. Okay, yesterday. So which means we are still more or less in a buying type setup. Okay, the 4 hour candle, the 4 hour structure is still bullish. Those we've seen looking at how price is reacting to the negative 27% area. We've seen 1 week didn't close above, pushed again, didn't close above. So if price eventually does retrace, okay, where could we retrace to? I could more or less be looking at 171875 area for another long position. Though tomorrow is Friday, I'll more or less, if I see something solid, I'll take the position. But if not, I will just manage the ones I have running now and look to take profit at the end of the week. But right now, there's really nothing much going on in the market. Okay, seeing the market is currently at a high area, and we could see a retracement if we break. If we could continue below this 1 hour area of support here. Okay, if price trades below this 1 hour area of support or structural support, we could um we could see price more or less make that retracement to the downside. We could see price make that retracement into 171875. But if we don't and price sustains, um we could see price just continue this bullish move or bullish momentum into 172500, closing us bullish for the week. So that's the video, guys. I hope you guys caught the position with me. Yes, you got the trade with me yesterday, uh, earlier today. Okay, so have a nice trading day and have a good weekend.